Hi guys, we are Boy Richard here. Today I'm gonna be walking you through on my Grow on YouTube Challenge Part 1, the first ever Part 1 series of my Growth on YouTube Challenge Part 1 2021. And I hope you stay with me, and I hope you hang in there and watch me see what I do. This is my first channel. As you can see, it's only 34 subscribers. If you're one of the subscribers, I thank you so much. God bless you, because you are the reason why I'm doing this. I've been not focused my attention on this channel for a long time. I ignored it because I'm busy with other projects, but recently I decided to throw an effort into this, and I want to do a series I carry along so you can see what I'm doing. So the majority of the work I'm going to be doing is working on the channel, using information the channel is giving me to be able to feedback again to you and to me myself, and also monitor my trend and see what growth I can be able to achieve. And I will be shooting videos on milestones or what is happening so you can be able to see. Now, if you are ready to stay updated, please subscribe below. You don't have to, but please subscribe below if you want, so you can be able to follow me and see what I do, learn from me. And also, if you have any ideas, you chip in on the comments. If you have any questions, chip in on the comments. This is all learning here. I'm giving you everything the way it is. There's no special editing. There's not gonna be any special editing, and nothing to hide here. Okay. So quickly, I'm gonna jump into my studio. YouTube Studio. Of course, that's where the action is. See, if you want to grow on YouTube, you have to focus all your attention on YouTube Studio. Let me actually go the one I already opened, which is here. Now, if you look at your YouTube Studio, you have informations on how your video is performing, how your channel is performing, complete analytics, everything you need to know. I will be looking at my content. I will be looking at my analytics. For example, most importantly, the analytics is where the information is. If you don't know how to make use of the information for your analytics, you really need to pay attention to this video, because this is going to help you. So what I'm trying to say is this is fresh video. As you can see, this is new channel. For the past 28 days, I only got 15 views, which is very poor, very small. And I still thank you for that if you're one of the guys that actually viewed anything here. So what I'm trying to say is this. I will be looking at my channel. I'll be looking at my analytics, looking at the videos I have, and looking at what the videos are performing. For example, I have a couple of contents here. I've been trying different content to see what direction my research is going to take me, what direction my views are going to take me. I've made a decision that I'm going to focus on YouTube, because that is where everybody is. Of course, you want to grow on YouTube. I want to grow on YouTube. Everybody's looking for how to grow on YouTube. And the reason why I have not touched this channel for a very long time is because I've been doing a lot of studies. I've been doing a lot of training and research on actually how to grow on YouTube. And my new channel, I'm putting my energy within the space of 1 month, 2 months. I was able to get to 300 subscribers, and the channel is growing every day. So I want to do the same thing here, but this time around I want to walk you through. I want to show you what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and also what to look out for. Now, this is my main analysis. Of course, if you want to see more, I have to click here. When you click on see more, it will take me into detail of how my channel is performing. For example, this particular channel was idle, silent, sleeping for a very long time with only 34 subscribers who managed to stay, and that showed me, these subscribers, that if I put more effort on this channel, I'm gonna get more subscribers, because the channel is positioned to do better. So because I have not done anything on it, that's why it's been sleeping for a long time. But you can see the short period I was able to upload 1 or 2 contents on it that have to do with the channel creation. For example, how to grow on YouTube, how to do affiliate marketing, how to make money online, and also how to find other source of income to help support you, which generally have to do with YouTube. I'm beginning to see traction. So this traction is telling me this is where the direction is, this is where I need to focus, this is what you need to focus. So if you look at your analytics have a lot of information that will enable you to make the appropriate decision on how to grow your channel. So this is where the action is. So when you upload a content, for example, you upload a couple of contents in past few months, past few days, past few years, in a recent part of time, and then you look at your analytics, you will see what the performance is. You see the direction where your analysis is going, and you can be able to steer yourself. This is where you can be able to focus your efforts, and so that you don't waste your time. You leave what is not growing, you focus on what is growing, and so on and so forth. This is what I'm going to be doing, guys. Okay, so for example, this is the first series I'm doing. This is the first series, so I'm going to be carrying you along in every step I'm doing. I'm going to be changing a lot of things. I'm going to be updating a lot of things. I'm going to be looking at my data. I'm going to be, looking at what is working for me and what's not working for me. I'm going to be looking at my traffic sources, YouTube search. How, right now YouTube search is my major, which is good. I have an impression of 500 and I have 1.4 click-through rate, which is really poor because of my thumbnails are not performing. Of course, like I said, I have not paid attention to this particular channel. Yes, of course, this channel sucks right now. It sucks as everything right now, but I'm glad because this gives me opportunity to be able to start afresh. Now, this particular information here is really optimistic. It's giving me more hope because I know YouTube search is more of my source of traffic, even though I only got few videos on here already. So that's telling me that if I put more effort in this channel, I'm gonna grow quickly with this YouTube search. This is where you want to be. You want this to be number one. Now another good thing here is I have suggested video, which is good because for the fact that I can see suggested video here on 6.7% views, it to me is good news. Yes, of course, it's good news because that tells me that if I upload more video that have to do with what everybody's looking for example, how to grow on YouTube challenge, how I am growing on YouTube, how I'm getting more subscribers, how to get more subscribers on YouTube, then that means these videos are gonna do very well. So you can see my search, my YouTube search is good. Well, it's not. Of course, this is very small, but it's optimistic. That means if I put more effort, I can be able to milk these impressions and increase my click-through rate with good thumbnails. And that's what I'm going to be working on in the future, guys. So watch out. This is the first one. So after a couple of series, I'm going to do milestones to let you know how it's performing, how many people, how many subscribers I'm getting, and also how is the reach going. Because this is exactly what you should be learning. If you're struggling with YouTube, there's no guesswork. You don't need to guesswork anything, and you don't need to copycat people who are already doing better because you haven't got the volume of subscriber they have. So you need to start afresh. By that, you need to study your analytics and look at what's working for you and what's not working for you. So I'll wrap this first one up, guys, and I hope I haven't really wasted your time. But if you really want to follow me and watch what I'm doing, please subscribe below. You don't have to subscribe. If you don't, I love you. Like and comment, and also share your thoughts on how you are growing and also what you're doing. If you don't want, you can contribute. If you don't want to contribute, that is fantastic. This is all about helping each other, helping you, helping me. My research, my findings, I'm going to be throwing them out here. And also, there is no special editing here. There is no special cuts or video, camera angles and so on and so forth. What I'm saying is what I'm doing, what I'm showing you, and that's how it's going to be, guys. Thank you so much for watching and stay blessed. Bye-bye.